What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the top 5 things that I carry in my Chevy Avalanche in case of emergencies. So let's get it. So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, before we jump into that video, I do want to talk more about this Midgame real quick. It's almost finished. Just got to sand down this spot here with all the putty and stuff. And then I got to primer it. After it's done primered, tomorrow we're going to go pick up the Rhino liner. I made a decision to basically paint the entire truck in purple Rhino liner. I think it's super tough, super cool. And let me know what y'all think in the comment section below about this. But anyway, let's jump right into our video. So the first item, as you can see, I have tons of items here on the Avalanche. But the very first one I keep in my truck for safety and emergencies is a baggie. In this baggie contains a flashlight, USB cord for the charging, and a little pocket screwdriver. Now, that was gifted to me by a friend in the job that I used to work before. And I've kept it ever since. That sits with me in this truck in case of emergencies. USB is perfect to charge while you're driving. You never know what can happen. You never know what issues you may run into. So always have that in its side. Now, the second item that I keep here, which I'm going to probably put these two together, is a 22mm socket and a breaker bar. Why, you ask? Because it is so much easier to break lug nuts loose if you ever get a flat and you need to change the spare out. It's the easiest thing when you have leverage on your side, and it makes things quicker. What would actually make it a lot more quicker is if you carried an impact with a gun, but sometimes your batteries may run low. You don't know. That's the best thing to have because running it manual is the best thing sometimes. So that's the second thing I keep in this truck in case of emergencies. Going off on the breaker bar for tire emergencies, the third thing I keep is a tire repair kit. Now, this does go with me almost everywhere whenever I'm out on the road with this truck in case I pick up nails. Whenever you pick up nails, you're going to want to swap the tires. As for me, I try to see if I can repair the tire first and then fill it up with air, which is going to lead us to our fourth item, which is our air inflator. Now, that's a portable air inflator, hooks up to the cigarette lighter, works awesome. I'll leave all these items in the link in the description below in case you want to pick up one for yourself. They're really good items. Had them for years and they still work. They do what they need to do. But the air inflator is the best thing to have because once I remove whatever foreign object is in that tire, all I have to do is just pump it up and I'm going on my way. Like, I don't have to worry about anything. I don't have to frustrate myself about replacing the tire. All I got to do is pull out the foreign object, put the air inflator on, give it some air, and put the ream the tire, and plug it up. So that helps everything. And that also, in correspondence with the very fifth item, pliers. Now, I always have a needle nose pliers on hand with me because that is the best thing ever to pull out foreign objects from those tires. You don't understand how many times those needle nose saved me. I have them. Now, you may be wondering why just those tools? Why not a whole bunch of tools? Now, I used to carry a DeWalt set with me. Sometimes, occasionally I do, but let's be real. If you really break down in the side of the road with an electronic part, what are you swapping in the middle of nowhere? Nothing, because 1, you don't have that part. 2, you don't know if the store is going to have that part and you need to order it. So at the end of the day, you're really going to need to get a tow. These items that I carry with me is just in case of emergency, something that can get you on the road back quicker and just let you get home so you can take care of the problem once you get home. Now, I've had some tire issues before in the past, and they really do help. Like I said, anything electronic that fails, you're not going to be able to fix that on the road unless you have the part, which more than likely you're not going to have that part. And then to diagnose what the issue is, you ain't going to have time to do all that while you're sitting there. You're just going to want to call a tow and get yourself out of the situation as fast as possible. Take it to a shop or get it repaired by yourself at your home in the comfort of your home. So anyway, now those are the 5 items that I carry with me at all times, anytime I'm going out. But I do have one more bonus item here. And if I can find it, I think it's right over here. And this bonus item, is that money? Do I have money in here? I got money in there. The bonus item is in this backpack. And you guys might be wondering what's in this backpack. So I'm going to show you that right now. as we speak. In this backpack, the bonus item that I have here is a survival kit. Now, you guys might be thinking I'm going a little too extreme, but hey, you never know what may happen. You never know if your vehicle runs off course, if you fall into a ditch, if you fall in somewhere, or you're driving on a lonely road. Me living here in Florida, a lot of places it's mostly driving. Sometimes you're going in places that haven't even been developed yet. You don't know what can happen. You don't see people for miles. You don't see anyone coming in and out. So if anything happens, you may be on your own for some time. So this survival kit basically has everything in it. It comes with a first aid kit. It comes with a bunch of other stuff. It comes with a little thermal blanket. So much stuff that I need in it. I also have a little flint starter, capsules to help clean the water and stuff like that. You never know what can happen, and you just don't want to be caught in those situations. If I can get this thing out so I can show you. But like in here, I bought this a while ago. Here is purification tablets that actually help purify the water. I don't even think do they expire? I don't know. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. But all of this stuff, I'll leave in the link in the description for y'all. Like, this stuff will definitely save a life. You never know what can happen, like I said. You never know. I also have blankets, thermal blankets to keep you warm if you ever get stuck out in the woods or it's raining and you just want to keep warm. And especially times like this when it's a little bit chilly out here in Florida, because I'm in Central Florida, so it does get a little colder in the winter, but not as much as North Cold. This is something to keep, so definitely think about it. Again, let's review it. Bonus item, first aid kit, safety bag, always have one in check. Get yourself a tire repair kit, get yourself an air inflator, get yourself the needle nose, get yourself a breaker bar with the right size socket for your vehicle, and always, 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 always carry a flashlight, guys. It's the best thing to do. And that one has an SOS signal, so it helps. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick episode of what I carry in the Avalanche. Let me know what you guys carry in your Avalanche. I'm actually very, very interested in knowing what you guys carry because we all have different ideas of what may help us in the trip. And maybe you guys might give me some ideas to carry more stuff in my truck. But anyway, let me know what you guys carry in the comment section below. Definitely appreciate that. If you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm as well as for me, because it does help boost the channel up there and it helps me get somewhere further with my channel. And also, guys, if you're not a subscriber and you're a first-time viewer of this channel, definitely consider clicking that subscribe button because I always post videos out every single day. And guys, it's almost December. Do you know what that means? I've almost made my entire goal of putting a video out every single day. So, with that being said, guys, thank you all for watching, and I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.